Fall means harvest time in Northern California, and Apple Hill is definitely an exciting adventure for you to explore. We are in Camino, just east of Placerville, home to more than 50 growers. Let's hop inside Larsen Apple Barn. And they've already put me to work, and I'm glad to do it. This is Larsen's Bake Shop, and this is Lynn Larsen. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
And I could just say you are the queen of apples here because you run it all.
The customers that come, the apples that we grow, this is our life.
Look at this. Oh, are those hearts on there?
You know what? They aren't really intended to be hearts, but that's what they turn into, so that's our love to you.
Oh, well, there's a lot of love in here because there are
about 2 3/4 pounds of apples in each one of these.
almost 3 pounds in each apple pie. Fresh, woo.
Hot.
These are the fresh and hot apple dumplings. All right, so, may I?
You may.
Okay, you have got to tell me what this crust is.
This is Grandma's crust, great Grandma's. We don't change it. It's an all vegetable crust.
Look at that.
Brown sugar, cinnamon, and butter inside the dumpling with a ooey gooey apple cinnamon cider sauce that goes over the top.
That is stunningly beautiful.
Very simple, but the flavor is totally apple.
Let's see. Oh, what's this? Is that hot?
No, you can touch that.
I want you to see this. That, stop it.
Apple
Is
strudel.
an apple strudel.
I'll let you serve one to me.
Oh my gosh.
And then we're going to serve that with hot apple cinnamon cider sauce
Oh my gosh.
made with fresh apple juice.
So I'm clearly figuring out that Apple Hill is an eat your way through experience.
It is definitely, and you can find amazing things at so many of the bake shops. Find your favorite wherever it is.
And you're on your 7th generation.
We are.
Now on this land.
That we are. This is the most picturesque place to live.
Yes, it is. It's beautiful. It's Northern California.
It is.
America's playground.
This is the best.